Have you ever wondered how some people are making hundreds of dollars a day online without breaking a sweat? What if I told you there's a revolutionary AI tool that can do most of the work for you in just seconds? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me introduce you to ChatGPT, the trending AI technology that's taking the internet by storm. From crafting essays to answering complex questions, ChatGPT generates human-like responses with incredible speed and accuracy. And the best part? You can leverage its power to start earning money online today. No prior skills or experience required. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to make up to $250 a day simply by copying and pasting text. It's quick, it's easy, and anyone can do it. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. It not only helps me create more valuable content for you, but it also ensures you never miss out on tips that could change your life. Now, let's get started. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always understands your instructions, and delivers exactly what you need in seconds. That's essentially what ChatGPT does. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a cutting-edge AI technology designed to generate human-like text responses based on the prompts you provide. It's not just smart, it's like having an entire team of writers, researchers, and creative thinkers rolled into one, accessible at the click of a button. So how does it work? It's simple. You type in a question or request, and ChatGPT uses its advanced AI capabilities to produce a well-thought-out answer almost instantly. For example, let's say you want to know the best ways to lose weight quickly. Type that into ChatGPT, and within seconds, it'll generate a detailed response, complete with actionable tips and ideas you can use right away. It's like magic, but better, because it's real and incredibly efficient. Now, think about what this means in terms of time and money. Gone are the days of spending hours researching or paying a professional to write a blog post or an essay. With ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content faster than ever, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. Whether that's growing your business, starting a new side hustle, or simply spending more time doing the things you love. But the true beauty of ChatGPT lies in the opportunities it creates. This isn't just a tool for convenience, it's a gateway to untapped potential. From helping you break into freelancing without technical expertise to automating tedious tasks, ChatGPT empowers you to think bigger and achieve more. It's not just AI, it's a new way of working smarter, not harder. Let's explore how you can turn this innovative technology into a money-making machine in just a few simple steps. Ready? Let's dive in. Now that you've seen what ChatGPT can do, you're probably wondering, how can I turn this into real income? Well, the answer lies in a simple, step-by-step process that I'm about to walk you through. These methods don't require any special skills, just a little creativity and the willingness to learn. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to create a steady stream of income. And here's the best part. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some bonus tips that can take your results to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of this incredible tool. Imagine logging on to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or a Freelancer, where clients are actively searching for skilled freelancers. Traditionally, these jobs demand hours of work, crafting, researching, and refining content. But here's where ChatGPT changes the game. Instead of sweating over every detail, you'll let this AI powerhouse handle the heavy lifting. You won't be tied down to the grind of traditional freelancing. Instead, you'll use ChatGPT to streamline the entire process, delivering high-quality results quickly and efficiently. It's a win-win. You save time while still impressing your clients. Ready to see how it's done? Let's explore the specific services you can offer and how to stand out in these competitive markets. When you dive into Fiverr's writing and translation category, it's like stepping into a goldmine of opportunities. From blog posts to articles and even resumes, there's a service for every type of client. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on blog posts and articles, some of the hottest and most in-demand services on the platform. Why? Because sellers in this space are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars daily. Just imagine, with ChatGPT handling the content creation, you could tap into this lucrative market with minimal effort. It's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about stepping into a proven system and letting AI give you the competitive edge. Ready to see how to turn these services into real income? Let's keep going. Standing out in a crowded market can feel impossible, but here's a secret. The key is niching down. Instead of offering generic blog writing services, focus on a specific niche that speaks directly to a particular audience. Imagine creating blog posts tailored for the wedding industry, fitness enthusiasts, or tech startups. By specializing, you'll not only reduce the competition, but also position yourself as an expert in that field, making it easier to attract clients who are ready to pay a premium for your services. Think about it. Why be one of many many when you can be the go-to expert for a specific group. With ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting, this strategy becomes even more effective, helping you build trust and deliver top-notch results faster. Let's explore how you can set this up step by step. Now that you've chosen your niche, let's break down the step-by-step process of turning ChatGPT into a money-making machine. The first step is simple but crucial. Create a niche-specific gig on your preferred freelance platform. Whether it's Fiverr, Upwork, or any other marketplace, make sure your gig clearly targets your chosen audience. For instance, instead of simply offering generic blog posts, focus on something like blog posts about weight loss for health coaches or fitness blog articles for new moms. The more specific, the better. This not only attracts the right clients, but helps you stand out in a crowded market. Once your gig is live, it's time to receive an order. Let's say you get a request for a blog post on the best ways to lose weight quickly. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of spending hours researching or writing, you'll use ChatGPT to generate that entire blog post in a matter of seconds. Simply input your prompt, something like, write a blog post about the best ways to lose weight quickly, and watch ChatGPT work its AI magic. In no time, you'll have a fully written, high-quality article ready to be delivered. Now, the last step, deliver the content and get paid. With the article in hand, send it over to the client. You've just earned money for a task that took mere minutes, all thanks to ChatGPT. And here's the best part. The more gigs you create, the more clients you attract, and the faster you can scale. What seemed like a small task is now a fully streamlined process, giving you the ability to handle more orders, grow your income, and make money online effortlessly. You just created a repeatable system. Congratulations. Now that you've mastered blog posts, it's time to scale and expand your opportunities even further. ChatGPT is not limited to just one type of content. Once you've got the hang of creating high-quality blog posts quickly, why stop there? There's a whole world of niches waiting for you to tap into. Consider offering the product descriptions for e-commerce stores, ad copy for digital marketers, or even social media content for brands looking to engage with their audience. The possibilities are endless. By branching out into these areas, you're opening up new streams of income. Imagine working with small businesses, online shops, or startups that need a constant flow of compelling content but don't have the time or resources to create it themselves. With ChatGPT handling the content creation, you can deliver high-quality work quickly and efficiently, allowing you to take on more clients and projects. And here's where it gets really exciting. Scaling your process for even higher earnings. Once you've perfected delivering content in one niche, you can apply the same strategy to others, building a portfolio that shows off your expertise in various fields. You'll be able to raise your rates as you gain more experience and recognition, creating a snowball effect where your income grows without requiring more effort on your part. Remember, creativity is key. The more unique niches you uncover, the more opportunities you'll find to generate revenue. Whether it's writing product descriptions for a niche skincare brand or crafting ad copy for local businesses, there's always demand for quality content. And with ChatGPT, you're equipped to meet that demand. Keep exploring and watch your income grow. By now, you can see just how powerful ChatGPT can be for building a money-making system online, and I hope you're excited to start implementing these strategies. But I want to hear from you. What niches or ideas do you think would be a good fit for ChatGPT's capabilities? Maybe you have some unique ways you're already using AI to make money, or perhaps you're curious about other methods I haven't covered yet. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to use ChatGPT to boost your income or what other tips you're looking for. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll get access to even more tutorials, tips, and tricks that can help you take your online business to the next level. There's always something new to explore, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. So stay tuned for upcoming videos that'll show you how to continue turning AI into your personal income generating tool. See you in the next video.